With the roof boards installed, we can now move on to installing the roof insulation, if you have purchased it as an optional extra. The roof insulation boards are insulation backed with particle board and should be installed with the particle board facing up. With every cabin, we provide a diagram showing the layout of the insulation. Please follow the diagram in your manual to lay out the boards until the roof is covered. You may need to cut some of the insulation boards down to size as directed on the diagram. Once in place, screw the boards to the roof using 50mm screws. Be careful not to sink the screws in when you insert them, as there will only be 4mm of timber between the end of the screw and the inside of the cabin. Before we fit any roofing material, we need to fit the eaves edging boards which go on the edges of the roof. This is what the water will run off in bad weather. To install the eaves, we first need to fit the roof edge reinforcing trims to the underside of the roof boards. Using 35mm screws from below, secure the trims to the roof boards, and once these are in place, you can fit the eaves edging boards. The eaves edging boards should be attached to the roof edge reinforcing trims, making sure that the top of the eaves edging board is flush with the top of the roof boards and not higher. Lay out the boards on the floor, and then fix the brackets to the back of the boards using 20mm screws. You can then attach the brackets to the roof insulation boards by screwing them into the particle board. Please note that if you have roof insulation, the installation is different. You will need to use metal L brackets provided to attach the eaves edging board to the roof. If you have chosen to purchase roof felt and shingles, these must be installed before moving on to the fascia boards, which will be explained in the next video.